Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World, and welcome to the Monday Grind. Listen, we got an awesome fitness digital watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store, and you know it, it is free for the taking. That's for right now, so you got to make sure you download ASAP right after the video. Cool? With that being said, let's get started. The name of the watch face is called RE Series 2 -S. I thought my man did a really good job with this watch face. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, the same info. Once the watch face is on, I do like the black background, which is going to help a little bit with my battery efficiency. And I do like the color that's going on with the information around the bezel of the watch as well. But let's go ahead, let's check it out. At the top, people, you're going to get your speed. So if you're going to be exercising, you're going to be running, you're going to be walking, again, this is going to be the perfect watch face. Now up here, this bar represents where you are with your speed. This is going to give you your speed info. Right up under that, you will get your date information. And then in the center, you're going to get a nice legible digital time with animated seconds at the end. I like this look. And you come down, you're going to get your battery info in those little dots. Now, it tells you what your steps are right up under that, but you also get info on your steps or while miles walked around, and also it's going to give you your goal that you have set for your run and or your walk. Now, the watch face isn't active, so if you need to go in for your exercising info, your steps, floors climbed, you can go in and get minutes ran, things of that nature, which is good to have on any watch face that you can tap into at ease. And also, if I go over here, I can get my weather, so I can know if I need to stop running, if it's going to rain. Over here, you're going to be able to go in and get your music, and music is definitely important on the run. It just calms you as you continue to hit the pavement. So I thought this was definitely a good look, but check it out. If I double tap here, I can customize the color theme. So if you got on a certain outfit that you are wearing on your run or your walk, you can customize this to that color of what you have on, which I thought was pretty cool. Just double tap, and you can change it to whatever you wanted to have it on. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And continue, people, continue to grind so the day can be over with soon. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care and have some fun.